Hi everyone and welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Mailchimp plugin for WooCommerce. If you're looking to grow your email list and boost your sales, this is the perfect tool for you. With the Mailchimp plugin, you can easily collect email addresses from your customers and send them targeted email campaigns. So if you are ready to take your email marketing to the next level, let's get started. First thing first, I will need you guys to launch your browser. After that, I will need you to open your WooCommerce store. So just go to the URL section and search for WooCommerce. After that, simply click on the first link and start setting up your first store on WooCommerce if you don't have it already. If you do have it, follow me by these steps. So I'm going to open my local host since I have my store in it. So I'm going to click on dashboard. Now this is the dashboard and that's how it will be looking like. So simply now what you will need to do is go ahead and click over here on this section over here, which is the actual menu, and then go all the way down to plugins. After that, click on add new, and then they will take you to this page. Basically wise, there is two ways of adding Mailchimp to WooCommerce. There is this way, which is clicking on this button from over here, so upload plugin, and basically you will have to drag a file, which is the plugin file, over here, and then click on install now to install it. So how to do that? You can just search for it on the browser itself, Mailchimp plugin for WooCommerce, and then just look for it wherever you find it, download it, and then you can easily get it. So as you can see here, you can just download it from here, and then you can throw it here and install it. The second method, which is just by clicking over here, search plugin, and search for Mailchimp. So here it is, and then let's go here, and you will find it as you can see over here. So this is Mailchimp for WooCommerce. Simply guys, what you'll need to do is actually click on install now and it will be installed. So basically, if you had a problem like that, this plugin does not work with your version of PHP, let's make sure to go back to here, dashboard, and then click here to actually download the new version of the PHP. So I will do that guys real quick and I will be right back to you. As you can see guys, I have correctly updated my PHP. So now I can update it and download it. So let's click here to download it, and then now I have the button to activate it. So let's click on it as well, and simply what they are going to do is take us to the next page. Now the next page, which is the plugin area where you can find all your plugins. So now let's add Mailchimp for WooCommerce. You can connect to an existing account or create a new one. So let's create a new one by clicking on this button over here. Here we go. And now let's fill this information. So let's fill them with some random stuff. And here, for example, like that. And then let's go to the next step. Now let's wait a little bit. Let's give it a name. Okay, no problem. And here we go. So now fill this information with your information. It can be not random or correct. Now let's click here to get started. And let's give it some time. So now I created my account and now I am on the third step. So now I'm stepping my store. Now you have to fill all of this information so you can give your store a name. So let's give it some name. So Lolly Store. Here I'm going to pick, for example, the same random things, and I'm going to put here a random number, and then I will choose here permission settings, plugin permission level only administrators, and then click on next step they can take us to the next step, as you can see. Now let's wait a little bit until they take us. So here we go. Now we can start synchronization after we give an audience name. So connect your store with the audience. So let's give this a name. So Lolly blog, and I will keep everything like that. Alright, and then start synchronization. Now they will start comparing everything correctly, and then they will make us the website and connect our Mailchimp to WooCommerce. Back to you guys. Now as you can see, this is how it looks like. When you first open the page of the plugin in your dashboard, it will show you the overview. Here, you will see everything from coupons that you have in your website, the products, the orders that you have, subscribers, transactional, and unsubscribed. Here it is, your account connected, which is my blog, audience connected with my blog, and synchronization status, it is in the progress. Here, if I want to store, so let's click over here. You will have to give it some time until it loads. So this is the information that we have written in the beginning. And this is the same thing. So the audience and store, these are all the information that I have written. As you can see, that's really good because later on you might have forgot to change something while subscribing or creating your account. So now you can actually change something. So cut tracking, ongoing synchronization, you can do whatever you like over here. So these will always help you. And here, as you can see, when someone tries to actually buy something from you, they will go to the checkout page. In the checkout page, they will have to fill this information from name, city, etc. And normally, they will not have this button in the last thing. But now, since you have Mailchimp, they will add this button, so their email will be accepted, or they will accept the fact that you are going to send them our campaigns and new products and new listings. Here the logs of the website. So if you click here, you can see every log. And finally here the settings. So here I might have some problems with my database because I can't really go ahead and open the settings. As you can see here, it's possibly because it didn't fully like synchronize with my account. As you can see, it is still in the progress and running. So when it's gonna be correctly running, because it takes some time, I have just opened it, as you can see, and now it started like giving me true and realistic numbers because I have products in this page, I have products in this store. So now it is 1 on 1, the last updated, so it is working now. As you can see, just give it some time when you first create it and everything will be smooth for you. So now this is pretty much it, guys. That's how you can actually download Mailchimp plugin for your WooCommerce store. I hope you guys learned something from this video. I hope you liked it, and if you had any kind of mistake or problem during your video or this video, please make sure to let me know about it so I can fix it in the next videos. And of course, if you have faced any kind of problems when you try to create your account with Mailchimp, connecting it to your WooCommerce website, make sure to leave me that problem down below. I will 100% answer all of your comments, guys, so make sure to leave them down below. And if you like this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see ya in the next videos.